So welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video you will see how to embed or link a YouTube video into the Microsoft Word. So to embed or link a YouTube video, you will simply have to click this share button option. By clicking this share button option, you can see an embed option here. You will click this embed. When you will click this embed option, you will simply click this copy option. After clicking this one, now you have to go to your Word file where you want to paste this. I'm opening a Word file, a random Word file here, and I will paste this embedded link here. I will simply go to insert option. I will go to online video option. Please wait, I will load your video. So simply you have to wait a few seconds. Now you have to click from a video embedded code. You will paste here. You will click this paste button option, then you will click this one, insert option. So you can see you have inserted a video here or embedded the link from YouTube video. So here the video is embedded in the Microsoft Word file. So that's in this way you can add or embed a YouTube video link in Microsoft Word.